Welcome to our YouTube channel. Do you remember that during this module we are learning some vocabulary words about the cooking time? So let's see the vocabulary about the lesson number 2. The first one is garlic. Garlic. The second word is peas. Peas. Now we continue with seafood. Seafood. The next word is tuna. Tuna. The next word is shrimp. Shrimp. The next one, salmon. Salmon. The next word is meat. Meat. We continue with steak. Steak. And finally, we have pork. Pork. For the grammar part, we are going to verify what people is going to do or not. Let's see some examples. What are you going to prepare? I am going to prepare a pizza. I am going to prepare a pizza. Now, are you going to use some mushrooms for your pizza? No, I am not going to use some mushrooms to prepare the pizza. So that's the idea. Verify that information. Okay, astronauts, that's all for today. So don't forget to practice at home. Let your likes here, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you in the next class. Bye-bye.